Alright, well, we're gonna take the Ferrari to get our fenders. Well, just like that, we are back at the house and we have our package we have secured. So if you guys don't know already by the title, 50mm wide body crown carbon crafting fenders. These were the best option that I could actually find for the moment due to this aggressive crazy poke that we have on this car. Even though I try to clean it up a little bit, still it's a little crazy. These fenders should be able to cover it. My original plan that I had for the car due to coronavirus is looking like 5 to 7 months for the fenders I want. So for the meantime, I want to start driving. I figured these would do, and then later we could always do Trigga version 2. But right away, you guys can see this is all fiberglass. I don't think it's gonna need much adjusting or playing with. It looks right about perfect. I went ahead and picked up some hardware from Hank's Hardware, the local hardware place near my house. But yeah, this is the style hardware I got. Some washers and some gel nuts. I talked to a couple people, they said you could do like rib nut. Honestly, that just required buying a tool and doing all this stuff, and I just want to get it on, not really care too much, you know, just want to be able to drive around with it. I already know I'm going to destroy these pretty fast, probably from learning how to drift and everything, but that's all good. That's just a part of the game. You're going to want to begin by taking measurements and finding out where the tire is rubbing. Like here I drew the line out, and this is what I'm going to use to cut. Then you're going to want to take an angle grinder with a metal blade and begin cutting the desired section that you want to remove. Make sure you wear safety equipment as well, because this can get very messy. So I don't know why this happened to me, but when I was recording me putting on the fender, my camera died, of course. But yeah, we ended up throwing the fender on. I will record the other side, but just wanted to show you guys a sneak peek of the product. Look at that. So this is my drift rims. These are 18s, and these look like they're being covered real nicely with these fenders. So I'm kind of digging this look and how this is looking. I think in order to actually make my work wheels that are over there work on this setup for like street use, I'm just gonna have to raise the front of my car about 1 inch. And then it'll just look a little monster truck style looking in the front when we go drifting, but that's honestly fine. I don't really care. I'm loving how this thing is looking. And then in order to actually stretch this out to make it more nicer looking, I'm going to use an L bracket, and then I'll mount this up, and I will remove this Trigga spec paper towel. I don't know if I'm correct or wrong, but if I am wrong, please correct me. But I think I am the first person to have a Z with crown carbon crafting fenders with a different style body kit than the OEM Nismo. I can say this is the first Z in the world to rock CCC fenders with the Amuse style front end. After removing the fender, I found out that I wanted to shave off more of the metal off the OEM fender. That way it clears my tires and I don't have to worry about it rubbing. So this is all optional if you want to do this or not. You don't have to. After doing that, you're going to want to take the over fenders, align it with the panel, and then using a small drill bit, make the holes for the hardware and use the mock-up hardware. Well, here is the Z with the final product. During the day, I raised the car up about 0.6 inches, and overall the fitment came out real nice. I'm really happy with how it's looking. These fenders are looking really nice. So obviously next step is go ahead and use the proper hardware. This is just mock-up hardware. Trim to your desired need, and that's about it. And obviously put your ride height at desired height. This side is same thing. Start that off. Wow, that looks so good. Such hot fitment. I think just about 2 fingers, there's a finger and a half. Oh, look at that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this Crown Carbon crafting front wide body 370Z install, whatever you want to call it. 1 of 1 Trigga. Anyways, see you guys next week. Keep saving.